Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check a new product from iRangeX, the Fli14 mini Flysky receiver. Inside the small bag we're getting the receiver and its connector. You can see that the receiver is very small. It weighs just about 1 gram. Its dimensions are 19.2 by 12 by 4.3 millimeters. On the bottom we can find the bind button, then this 3-pins connector. The left pin is the ground, then the VCC and the IBUS pin. The operating voltage of this receiver is between 4 to 6.5 volts. According to iRangeX, the expected range should be about 300 meters, but actually the most interesting feature of this receiver is that it outputs the RSSI on channel 14, which will make it very easy for you to display the RSSI on your OSD. So now I'm going to connect this receiver to my QX95 quadcopter and I'm going to show you how it works. So now the receiver is connected and I'm going to bind it with my jumper transmitter. If you're using this remote controller, you have to go to the model menu, to the model setup, and you have to choose under protocol AFHDS-2A, which is the protocol of this receiver. Hit bind. And then you have to power up the receiver while pressing the bind button. So just press it, power the quadcopter. And now the bind procedure was successful. Just to make sure, you can see when I'm shutting down the transmitter, you can see that now this LED indicator is flashing, and after turning it on, you can see that now it's turned solid. The next thing we need to do is to configure the receiver on Betaflight. So now I'm going to connect to the quadcopter, head over to the ports and make sure that the correct serial RX is enabled. Then go to configuration. On the receiver, choose serial-based receiver, and next to the serial receiver provider, choose IBUS. Then you have to save and reboot. And if everything will go well, on the receiver you can see that now the receiver is responding correctly. And after scrolling down to the auxiliary 10, you can see we're getting this value. This is the value of the RSSI. So if you would like to show it on your OSD, you have to choose auxiliary 10 next to the RSSI channel. Auxiliary 10 is channel 14. Hit save. Go to OSD. Make sure that the RSSI value element is enabled. Drag it to the desired position. Hit save. And as you can see, now the RSSI is shown on the OSD. The next thing I'm going to do is to head outdoors and I'm going to check the range of this receiver. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions about this receiver, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos and goodbye.